Hello? Okay, I think you can hear me again? Is anyone still here? Or did my sudden disappearance cause an exodus? Okay. Unfortunate. Hello? So, mm, mm, yeah, okay. Hello? Mm, yeah, we are kind of back. Okay. What an unfortunate series of events. Hopefully, we can get back into it. I guess we can keep going for 1 or 2 hours still. But that is very unfortunate. The only good thing that came out of this is that I realized I had the wrong thumbnail on my video. I used the one from yesterday. But I guess it is not that bad. Hopefully the other guys will find their way back here as well. Okay. Is everything working? Can you see the overlay, the chat? Yeah, alright. And can you hear me? Because the microphone apparently also kind of rebelled after that short outage. So hopefully everything is working. Okay. Let us continue. We were trying to make all of these the same size. And to do that, we wanted to disable word wrapping. I can't find it. No, it is here on the labels. Disable word wrap? No, we do need wrapping. We do need wrapping, and we do need a minimum size, and we do need a fixed size here, and then we don't expand and center. That is, I think, what we need. This will go here, save. And all of these need to reset to the center. Oops. Or is it not flipping? It is override. No. Let's see what happens if you do... No, it doesn't grow. So it definitely has something to do with these. Yeah, we need to reset the size. And position. Okay, now they are all the same size, and then we center. Just change something weird. No. And this needs to be centered. What? No. What exactly is going on here? This one is centered. Although it needs to be further down. And these are weird. Panel parent. Transform. Didn't we have this centered properly? Oh, I think it's because this needs to be... No? What's happening? Why is this so weird? This one is centered, and this one isn't. And I can't move it either. The hell? I guess I need to do this. For some reason it doesn't grow. This is hammered. Yeah, let's just put some margin around it. And then it should be good. The thing, if we do make them all the same size, then they look kinda weird and out of place. The text, I mean. Don't you think? Really? I guess we can just make sure that the examples are always at the bottom and then increase the font size. I guess you can also make them shrink horizontally. Let's see. Right there already. Which one is the biggest? I think it's this one. So we can bring that a bit. Wait, what? This one. What's happening? Huh? Oh, it's the minimum. I'm stupid. What? Oh, because... Yeah, it's still... this... Yeah, I think that could be good. And then... which is the longest? Should be notes. I guess that checks out. Okay. maybe we... Yeah, I think we put them in a horizontal container. Vertical. Horizontal? Vertical. Now we have a V-box. Yeah, we need 2 more. One for these. V-box. And then one for these. And then we can spray some evenly. Why do they... Guess this one can just expand horizontally. I don't know why, but this is comfortable to look at compared to the previous one, really. Even because of the same size. Wait, why is it now? Oh god, oh no. No! Oh, we have to do all the title things again? Ew. Yeah, maybe. I guess we have to delete them and recreate them. God damn it. Maybe I should store them separately. So this doesn't happen again. How is this usually done? I think you usually do have the text in a resource or something and then set the text. This is quite the annoying thing. Hey everything, welcome back. Yeah, we somehow made it back, but I'm no longer multi-streaming because Stream Elements is down and apparently it's due to a Google Cloud outage. Alright, and we kind of lost our thing here, so we need to recreate those. Yeah, let's put... Where are they? Wait, what? Where are they? For real, for real? Okay, we can remove this as well. This. This. And this. Now maybe keep going for another hour and a half probably. But yeah, we are only on YouTube right now, unfortunately. Where is it? Carousel. Oh, it seems pen. This one. Oh, that's his foot as well. This one. And I guess since we are already... wait, what am I? I guess since we are already doing things, we could just put this into the main scene. Although, I guess it's fine if we put it here. Okay, duplicate. Out. Okay, this is clean, simple What is going on? Edit. 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 And then... Man, that is so annoying that I have to copy all of this in again. I'm so happy though that I actually made a backup of this, because rewriting this would be even worse. Let's actually start at the bottom. Doc Regged. Hi to you too. What you doing? We are creating a submission guidelines carousel for our game. Is this a game yet? And the game is about players deciding what the game is about. Yeah, let me finish this real quick and then I will show you. So while I am putting these in, you might be able to spot the guidelines already. Yeah, basically, so the game starts with just a button where that makes the number go up, and then you can win whenever you want or try to get a high score. And once you finish your run, you will be able to submit your suggestion or design directive for the next update. And if you are within the top 3 of the leaderboard or one of the 2 community favorites, your suggestion will be implemented in the next update. So players are truly deciding every step of the way. Yep, and then just the next one, it's simple. Okay. Then bullet points. Then positive. And negative. Should be 2 lines. Okay, select. Common parent is null or code. But it is apparent to me. Okay, last one, additional notes. Careful, this is how you get suggested, like recreate the entirety of Bangkok as an open world map. Well, we do have submission guidelines that we are currently setting up again because they were broken. So I will be able to reject your submission if it breaks these guidelines. So that is exactly what they are for. Goes here and then there. Kinda hard to read on 480p. Yeah, that is a stream issue and not a game issue. Are we streaming in 480p? There's no way. No, I guess it's your internet then. Okay, I think that was a negative example. Already copied it. Right. This is at the wrong position. Okay, save that, and now we increase the spacing on these, which is a override. And I think we had 16. Yeah, save that. Common parent is still null for some reason, so let's check the thingy. The script. This is gonna be the meme mod variant of design by committee. Design by committee. I have not heard of that. What is it? Okay, I need to loop my music. Right. Hopefully the arrows get fixed somehow. Let's see here. Wait, what? Where's the color of again? Oh god, please work. Initial position of tab null instance. Oh, I need to reset the things here because we added these containers. So this will be wait, panel parent. Panel parent is correct. But the panels are not linked anymore, I guess. Yeah, they are not linked. So let's close these. And then this will be, yeah. You should add a delta rule character. Design by committee is when a committee say how they want to design something before any kind of prototyping is done. Make the UI random colors. Hello, Mega Man. Yes, these would be suggestions that could be done, although Deltarune character is probably copyrighted, so it would not be possible, but UI random colors would be possible if you wanted to do so. Although it would be nice if people started with gameplay suggestions so we don't have to click a button the whole time. Let's see. Okay, this one is working and the others are invisible. Yeah, it is. I mean, we already have that kind of... I guess you don't. I guess I should... I guess I should put some copyright things here. Charlie Chaplin is public domain. Yeah, now it's consistent with the examples in the bottom as well. So I do like that a lot. Although I kind of like the differently sized ones as well. Should we increase the font size? No. Let's see, how do we get this in the center again? Anchor center. No? What is happening? This was working before. Okay. Yeah. Oh god. Why are the different sizes now? I guess I shouldn't shrink them. Right there. Huh? Wait, it should be... Why is it so different than before? Let's see. Where are the container sizings? The hell? I'm not sure what happened, but they are back in the middle. I think the text is become hard to read than the previous one. It has become harder to read than the previous one? Is it? I'm not sure how the previous one was different. What if you had blur to the cards behind? Yeah, that was something I also was thinking, but I'm not sure if we should. But I do want to increase the font size, I think. I think we own the... Why is it so closely spaced now, even though... Didn't we add spacing here? Why is it so weird? Wait, I'm stupid. This would be here. Do we want spaces between those? I don't know. Wait, I shouldn't change this, otherwise it will override the other ones again. Let's do... Is there line spacing somewhere? Theme... It does look weird now. Cannot look better before, I'm not sure what changed. Let's do 24 and then 24 here as well. Where is my default here? At guideline, default, and then age separation. Wait, are we on the correct one? No, button, header container. Oh, these are all labels, so it's label. And then line spacing, maybe? Yes, so let's put this to 16. Yeah, that should be better. I did button school. Yeah. How's that? I guess the arrow buttons need to be somewhere else. Should we just click on the cards instead of the arrows? Oh, that would be more complicated. We would have to make us come from the back. It's still weird with the... We need to separate them more because they are now... What does the word do? What if we make them smaller? Yeah, let's do 400. Right, that's the wrong one. This one's 600. damn it. Yeah, now they moved again for some reason. What is happening? Oh god, why? Can't do this, so let's keep this at 800. Otherwise it will do weird things again. Yeah, but we do need to separate them a bit more, so this needs to be 700. What? Why are they so weirdly spaced? It's because they're not scaling in. It's the fucking pivot again. Pivot, I mean. Why is the pivot not working? This is ruining everything. I guess it should be down here or something. The arrow. At the bottom, I guess. Kind of. For now we keep it because it's simple. Wait, on the other one we have to animate still. I hate that they are whatever. Okay, maybe we can fix this. Maybe make the front part larger in size or move it closer to the screen. Why? So, pivot offset equals size divided by 2. And if this does not work for the stuff, then I am very sad. It wasn't working before, so it probably won't work. It did work. Why wasn't it working before? The back ones need to be smaller, actually. So we can easily do this here. 0.6 and then 0.4. Oh, that is way too small though. What the hell? What's going on? I guess we do... does it scale? Based on the previous one? Did we screw that up? No. I guess it doesn't need to be smaller. And then we just increase this a bit again. Even though it looked... it looked weird when it was bigger. Why is it not taking these? Okay. What is happening? Like they are moving differently. Why are they different sizes again? I feel like we should have kept the previous one. It looked so good. Oh god. Why are there different sizes? No. Like, why is resetting this not going back to the default of the... Jesus! Okay. Like, why is this reset not going to the scene thing? Whatever, we just copy the size, I guess. Oh god. Like, they are even the same size, they're not in the same position. What? I can't. VHS filter? Maybe, yeah. Here, let's just... And then... yeah, that should be fine. Jeez, that is quite the ordeal. And they are not centered. And it's still weird. Why is this coming to the front so early? Guess that's a little bit better. Why is this so small in the back? I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know. Guess we do 0.7 and then we separate them a bit more. Wait, I separated them less, not more. It is so weird. Not too happy with this. Like, this does not look like it's only 0.7 smaller than these. 0.1 smaller. I guess it is an optical illusion. We need a background. What do you mean by background? Oh, background. Yeah, background. Yeah, we will have a background, but first I need to figure out how to position these in the center. Wait. Here. I can't, no. I can't. What is going on? Are the cards rules chosen randomly by the player? I mean the submission rules? The submission rules are my rules for you. So, I don't think we should change the submission rules. That is just a guideline. So I can actually do the things that people are suggesting. Okay, I will... I'm so confused. It's so weird. Why does this behave in this way? The parent. Can we just change this to... I don't know, container? And then... Actually, what? Why is it only half? And why is this? It isn't because of... Oh! It's the arrow's fault. Vertical bottom left? Don't expand. Oh, so this can be a control. And then this will be bottom right without expanding, and then this will be Frank center. And we move it down a bit. Okay, I think it is a lot better. And now we will actually center this, save, and then these get a bit more spacing. But we need to do it on both. Does this do anything? No, that did not do anything. Maybe we should just put them below. I guess you could just put them center as well. Wait. Left. Do we expand? I don't know. Right. Okay. Maybe you can make it that the front card is given a roll so that it becomes larger, but at the same time the other cards do not change in size. I'm not sure what you mean. You mean just make this larger so it's better, easier to read, or what exactly is the point? I want to know. I'm losing my patience. Why are they now shrinking? I guess we do need a bit of spacing here. Oh, that explains it. This will be 6. No, we can. No! God damn it. I hate this. I don't know how to explain what I think. I mean, what is the thing that is bad about what we currently have? Why do you want it to grow bigger? It becomes larger, but at the same time... yeah, I'm not sure. This looks also weird. Because the line break has the same spacing as the actual enter line break. And I don't even know why that is, because it's just weird. If I could set the automatic line break like the word wrapping, where's the left button gone? No. Oh, this UI stuff is nightmare fuel. Some kind of privilege? No, this is literally just... Maybe I should show you the game. Maybe I should put this in and then you can see what this is about. Why is the left button disappearing though? Yeah, I don't fucking know. Let's put it in the thing here. Delete this. And then outline carousel, which will be here. The grid container will be gone. And then where did the outline carousel go? I guess what is the script? Wait, what have I done? Oh god. Okay. Yeah, this needs to go. And then it says that. Why does it do that? I think we can't use a controller. Maybe. What if we replace this? I have to replace it again. Container. Container will self folder. I don't know. You should hold it then to add a script, use a plain control instead. Alright, whatever. So why is it not aligning? Why is this just dead? Why is it What? Minus 150? It's set to 500. What is this? Wait, offset. Why doesn't it take the minimum size that is defined in the fucking node? Oh, it is not. I'm an idiot. Side offset. Oh, these are the... Okay, never mind. Never mind. Sorry for getting mad. I'm just an idiot as usual. This is going to be shrink and minimum first 100, 800. I guess it can be... I guess you can just fix it to the actual screen size. Which it was before, but for some reason this does not set. It doesn't it? I guess now it worked. Not really. Okay, let's do... What does it look like? Actually. So it is this plus this. So let's do 1,000 and 2,000, whatever. Save. And it didn't change because it is not on shrink. Alright. And now it should align. But for some reason this does not shrink. There we go. What? This one expands. Jesus. Yeah, it does not expand. Guess we have to make this a minimum size as well. That will be plus 100. Guess shrinks to the left, I guess. This expands. On top. Oh, just fill. And this builds horizontal things to the left. And then this one, well, separated so much. 40. And what? Why is this not filling in now? Bro, I feel like this UI stuff gets worse by the minute and doesn't behave at all correctly. I don't know what's going on. Why is it not growing to the top? Oh, because it's a margin container. Never mind. This one fills, yes. Yeah. And then this one fills. And this one doesn't fill. This one should fill, but for some reason doesn't. Why? Okay, I can set. Oh, why was this? What? Just set the stretch ratio? Oh? Why is it on expand? God damn it. I figured it out. And then we can reintroduce the separation. My ears are really... Right, let's give it at 40. Did I scream into your ear? Or what exactly is the problem? Okay, this should definitely be experiment on the beginning. Let's see if we can move down the buttons as well. This, I want to use one. Okay. Let's do... Let's do minimum 600 and shrink. 50, 1200, 1600. Where's the... Okay, it will be 1900. It will be 1800. It will be 1700. 50. Okay, 1750. Right. That kinda works. Now we shrink this to the top. And what? Right. Oh god. This might be a problem. This will have to be... Larger V-Box. Submission guideline cursor, and then... Which one is clean? This one. Okay, let's rename them all. Specific. Clean. Simple. Notes. So do we line notes? Line simple. Line clean. Line specific. Right. Says that. This can be gone. Want this to be top aligned. Yes, we have to make this top aligned as well. Top. Why is it not shrinking? because of the minimum size? Shouldn't it? No. How? Bro. Nothing is happening. Why is this pivot centered? Oh, did I do that? I'm losing our mind. They make it that the transition animation is not constant. Like at the beginning of the animation it's slow, then it speeds up. And at the end of the animation it slows down again. That is actually already what's happening. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I'm done. I don't care anymore. This is 500. And then everything else is out of my hands. Actually, 600. That's fine. We will leave it at that. Because I have spent way too much time on this. I guess I can have a little bit more spacing. 700, and then we need to start with them expanded. Which means we need to call this ones, I guess. Yeah, let's call this one's already. But we don't increase or that's the decrease. Oh. Alright. Why do we have to press it multiple times? Okay, the button needs to move down and it needs to be a different color. This and this. Position by the parent, go down. And then expand. I guess it should be apparent. Why is this UI stuff so hard? I felt like this was easier in the past. I guess this needs a minimum X column. And then where's the horizontal alignment? Why is it not on the left? Left. And then this one is 200. And on the... Alright. And then the color will be an override. Maybe we just give it a border. Why does it take multiple times to go? Maybe we do need to increase it at start. Which will be... Right. Which one was it? This one? Yeah. That... Yeah. And then... And then... Button color... on both will be normal color should be that maybe it is not. You can also make a hitbox of that little arrow that you use to flip the cards bigger for the minions. Yeah, true. Maybe we should just give it a button background. Doesn't have to be. Okay, let's not over. Oh, it's I overrode the icon color. Could do it. But yeah, let's just give it a panel background. These will have. And what was the button color of the win button? This one. What was that? It has a gameplay theme, I think. The theme... Gameplay buttons? Or was it gameplay and then button? I guess you could apply the gameplay theme to the carousel. Let's see what happens if I pull that. Wait. Did we... What theme does this use even? I think it's the default. What happens if we do this? I do not like that. That is really weird. Why does it not shrink? Nothing is working. Nothing is working. Okay, I have a different idea. This will get a outline font style. Why is it not color? Font outline. And that will be this. Wait, what? Why is it? That's not an outline. I'm stupid. Font outline, yeah. What's going on? Oh, we probably need to add a outline. Bro. Outline cells here. That might work. Nah. Doesn't look great, but at least it's visible. I guess the hover doesn't need to be white. And the left we need to animate still, actually. Let's increase this a little bit still because they are still overlapping. Then we add the animations to the left, which will be this. Panel. Actually, let's do all of them. Oh, no. Then create screens. And that will be here. Yeah. Then that. And that. Comma. Create twins. Panel. This, and this, and this. Then this, and this. And then this. Create spheres. Panel. And that will be left. And okay, that is something. Now, hello. This breaks things because we have broken things beyond. This needs to be evoke submission cursor, and then this will be where is it? Oh, for HBox container. Can I copy that? Can I copy the path? Guess it doesn't matter. I guess I can just drag it in. Yeah. Oh, you still need the parent. check out now. It should be correct. No panel container in current scope. Yeah, that is the mission guide number. Then let's see where it is. Yeah, that should be fine. And then let's see if it works. It does not work. Why not? Why not? Is the guideline violation? Before we get here, not really that world. We do get here. So it's something about the Starbucks override, because we are no longer using a Starbucks. It's the panel background, I think. Let's see. What is it? Keep it specific. Style, panel. I guess it's just panel. Style and panel. Style, panel? Is that how you do it? I'm not sure. No, wait, that's a bad point. Apparently not. What happens if I do it manually? Then it works. So property path. Oops. Theme override start. I guess it's just pattern. The underscores red, which needs to go to the foreground, and this color is obviously terrible. Maybe we should make it shake when we have violation, because that one looks really bad. Let's see, what can we do? About this violation, and then we make that maybe we don't draw the center. Wait, that is not what I meant to do. Can't we just make the outside? Can't just add a border? Panel border. Guess it could. Let's take the same color. And then I'm still alive. No. And then the border color. I think I have to go now. Bye everyone. Yeah, nice for you to be here. Thanks for chatting and suggesting things and keeping me company. Have a good night and see you another time hopefully, or when you play the game after release. Maybe. Let's make this like this red something. Then why is there no border width? It is probably better. And what? Why is it doing that? Expand. Yeah. See? I guess it works. Let's do that instead. And then these will be default. Okay. And then it should also swap to that one. To bring it to the foreground, but that we have to figure out. So yeah, then we have to animate it in a way that makes it clear. Okay, I think that will be it for today. We might play some games of Rivals 2 jetzt gleich. Here at the end of the stream, after the dev portion, we can play a little bit of games until we lose. And yeah, so I'm glad we did this weird carousel today. You know, the area where you press a button is usually made larger than the button itself. Maybe you could try doing that with the buttons to flip the cards. Yeah, it is already bigger. But we should put one above and on the right as well. Maybe we should do that real quick. That was quick. Young guys. But we are done with the dev portion of the stream. We will play some games of Rivals of Asia 2. Let's stop the music. Prepare the outro. Not quite yet. We will play Rivals of Asia 2 until we lose, and then it will be the end. But if you are interested, you can also watch this little gaming portion for us to unwind. Let me change categories. Why is my game capture not working? Game capture, right, because I have captured our game. Okay, and while we are searching for the first match, I will change categories. Wait, I can't change categories because we are not multi-streaming, so I don't have to do anything. Let me go back to the bottom right corner. A bit more to the corner. Alright, that is a good position. Okay, what else? Did I miss anything? I don't think so. So the carousel for the cards that we did today was not really planned, but it is UI polish. I guess you could say it is kind of planned. But we did not add any music and not really visual effects, although the button clicking mechanics with the growing font and the shrinking button at the end, I guess, is kind of a special effect. But yeah, I actually prepared some background music for the game, which I wanted to show. I have a couple of songs that we might be able to use, but yeah, I did not show them because of the OBS incident and the distraction of the card carousel. But it's fine, I'm happy with how the swirling thing turned out, because the previous one was really bad. Testing, I feel like that happens quite a lot recently. Alright, we have a maple, gold maple. Let's see. I don't like playing maple at all, and this is a warm-up game. So, not too happy about that, but we can make it work. Finally, after 8 hours of programming, yeah. Was it 8 hours? Not sure. When did we start? I think I started at 2 PM, so yeah, it was pretty much 8 hours of programming. No, I didn't get the ledge. Your brain must be overheating because programming, even I cannot stand 30 minutes. Wait, what should we do in? You cannot stand 30 minutes of programming? Or what exactly did you mean there? Can you please... Yep, that was a nice spike. That felt pretty good. Yep, that is one stop down, but we are in the lead. Why does she keep throwing seeds at me? Okay. Let's stop there. Could easily recover from that, but didn't for some reason. Wait, she did go to the left. That was kind of weird. Oh god, the triple dash attack. I hate that dash attack. Throw. Oh my god. Is she really making a comeback? Does not look like it. Oh, that was so close. That Ledgehog didn't even have a choice.
Don't waste my time.
Alright, first match down, or first round of the first match. And we did get a win. Isn't that nice? Although it is kinda clunky, I am not really in good form. Everything feels kinda sluggish right now. What? Bro, 0%? Oh god. Bro. Wait, what? Why did she go to the left? Oh, what am I doing? I'm throwing! No, I will make a comeback, don't worry. I'm intentionally making it interesting. Almost. See, already only one stop behind. Oh god, yeah, that does not look good. Never mind, it looks good because they messed up. See, and now we can like, come in for the reverse trio. Oh, maybe not. Oh, that looks bad. No! What? No! God damn it. No reverse trio. Throwing. I'm throwing so hard.
Still here.
The second this kind of game, like Brawlhalla and Super Smash Bros, my friend always makes fun of me because I lose. Yeah, these are pretty intense. I don't really play platform fighters because I don't have a Switch or Nintendo console, and I think the last platform fighter I played was in Brawl. Smash Brawl. Never really played Smash Ultimates, which is unfortunate because I love Smash Bros, but Nintendo does not release on PC, so I never really got the chance. And then this game came out, and it is basically Smash for PC. And the only platform fighter for PC that actually comes close to the quality of Smash Bros, so that is awesome. But unfortunately, the blood fighter genre is very niche, and this game is even more niche. Berry? Oh, no, Berry. What am I doing? What? The rollback? No! No! I messed up the follow-up. Yeah, that is one more. God damn it. I really hate Mabel. I always have this feeling like she doesn't even do anything hard or anything specific, but I keep frustrating. Like, always this stupid dash attack that basically always works. And I don't know how to counter it properly. What? Bro! That did it. Can't catch it. Oh! So close. What? The berry. We got it, we got it. First game, first win. We can keep playing. We don't have to stop after the first game, but the second game probably will end our stream. But we will see. We will play until we lose. GG. What other games do you play so on stream? I only ever have played this, but well, and recently I also don't really play games off stream because I am quite busy. But I am in a Path of Exile enjoyer, both 1 and 2. What else? Yeah, I guess that's only the only thing recently. I did not play many JRPGs, but I do enjoy Final Fantasy. And back in the olden days, one of my favorite games was Tales of Symphonia, which is an all-time classic. One of the best games ever made. Pretty sure I played through it 7 times or more, and one playthrough was like 100 hours. It is 2 Socks again. Not the same Maple, but a Maple player that we have played before. Plus 2 Socks. Why do we only get Maple players? Wait, is it the same one? Didn't pay attention to the name on the previous match. Don't think so. But I do plan to do variety streaming in the future, so there will probably be JRPGs on the menu as well. But for that, the channel would need to blow up to a point where I can do this full time. Until then, I need to be productive and make game stuff. My favorite JRPGs is Trail series. I am not sure, like Trails of... no. What is one entry in the test series? I'm sure I've heard of it. Yeah, I am not a Roblox player. I've never played it. I have played Minecraft quite a lot, but Roblox was never on my radar. No! What? Come on. There we go. 2 stocks left and only 68%. Good start.
Don't waste my time.
You could say I beat +2 stocks with +2 stocks. Come on, I was with not a fast fall. Maybe I should moonwalk more. What? Ouch. Oh, almost. Why is she so hard to hit? Ooh. Ow. The one time I parry and then she runs past me. Jesus. Yeah, I like Roblox because you can also create games, but the only thing that the programming language does is Lua. I mean, Lua is great, I think. I'm not sure how hard it is, I never really used it, but I'm pretty sure Lua is used in almost every modding, like in every workshop modding in general. I'm pretty sure Hades too is in Lua as well, if I remember correctly, and they basically have their entire Lua code invisible in the game files. Nice, another win. Like school application.
You won't get in
Roblox
my
Studio
way.
here in Indonesian people create their school. They study on Roblox. That's crazy. GG. 2 games, 2 wins. Can we keep the stream going or will we end the stream? Yeah. Wait, what? Why does it repeat it? Wait, I think something is wrong on my settings. Just remove the chat message. Oh god, 1244, this is where the remains. Oh god. Yeah, I can't fix it, I need to read it here. Oh, message retracted, sneaky. I didn't even know you could do that on YouTube. Wait, it's another major player. Why do we only have major players today? And then it's a 1200? Oh god, this is my end. That parry though. Oh! Come on. What? Bullshit. Yeah, I don't think I will ever try Roblox. It's not for me. Don't really enjoy the aesthetics. What? Bro. That combo though. Jeez. Unfortunate. Oh, didn't get the parry through. Come on. Oh, the turn around. That was well spaced. Well spaced, my friends. Maybe we can win this, but I have a feeling they will step up their game and destroy us in the next one. What? How did this not hit? No! Didn't want to fall down there. God damn it. You need to stop lagging? Maybe Google has some issues in general, but I don't know. Since the outage also was the stream element stuff, maybe it's a YouTube thing then? And not your internet? But it's definitely not me, I'm not dropping any frames. Oh. Oh, Krabi. It was unplanned. Not! What? Who now can count us? Alright. Can we come back with 60%? Probably not. Hey. What? We have caught council there, my friend. Well, that does not look great. I really need to learn how to counter this nasty... What is it? What animal is it? Raccoon? Ooh, I'm gonna blood vomit. Damn, we are not far off. Oh no. Come on. No. Close enough. Well, it's 1-1. My last chance to keep streaming. Whee! Game over. Can I deliver? It is my favorite stage, so... Oh, I was so close! How was that not a berry? Damn! They really got me on the ledge there after a parry. How But we are even. Perfectly even. No! Come on. Terraria? I actually think Terraria is probably an amazing game, but I've never played it. I prefer Remote. What? Through my attack? Come on. I really should go now. Thanks for the stream. Thanks for being here and hanging out. I had lots of fun. And I hope to see you again. Oh, that was a big mistake. No. Oh, nice. Okay, we are still quite even. Last stop. Will the stream keep going or will we end after this? Uh-oh, that does not look good. Unfortunate, he should have gone low. We keep the stream going, and the streak continues as well.
Don't waste my time.
Let's go, 19 points, almost back to plat. That is really nice. A GG. Oop. That was not supposed to play. Alright, what do we have? Grok Thunk. And Grok Thunk is a 1364 diamond player. Well, I don't think I have ever beaten someone that high rank, so let me prepare my auto song. Zetterburn. Actually, playing against Zetterburn could have some surprises. I might be able to cheese some things. Probably not though. Diamond players are quite high above me. But if he underestimates me, he might lose. No, didn't get the tip ball. He would be dead. Okay. Oh, so close. Oh, yes. One stock up. So for probably not for long. You're the only one in chat again? Oh, it's fine. We won't be here for much longer. only the goosers didn't do things today, we might have some other chatters in other streams, but unfortunately, stream elements did not want to cooperate today. Come on. What? Oh, and that's how quickly he can take the lead. How could I not shield that? What? Yeah, now he's playing like a diamond player. Oh, that kills him? Well, we are at 90% and he is not happy about losing 2 stocks. What Thomas? What? No! Yeah, I screwed that up. That was a throw and I could have actually won this. I almost got him. Unfortunate, but it is only the first round. Maybe we can bring it back. I kind of thought it though. You subscribed to me, thank you very much. For some reason, oh yeah, it's also because Stream Elements is down, but usually we get 8 people. Hello. Oh, cable. Okay, we're not that far behind, but that will not be easy. What? I was shielded and then I was not shielded, even though I know. Let go. What? Exact chase! With very good spacing. No, didn't get the fucking wave dash! Yeah, I am messing up. Big time. What? Come on, what's happening to my inputs? That is the worst way to go out. Couldn't even play because I'm messing up too bad. Feels bad, man. I wanted to at least give my best in that last match. Let's check the shop. What do we have today? Still only 30k points. So probably not able to buy anything, but please some Clarent palette, please. No Clarent palette. Feels bad, man. Also share out your channel, don't know if anyone will subscribe. Thank you very much. I will look at your channel as well. Yeah, nothing we can buy. Right, that has been it. Let me turn on the outro. Is it working? Chat, wait. Yes. So, that's been it. We have done some cool things today. We did a cool carousel thing in Godot for the submission guidelines of our game. And it turned out quite well and well animated. We unfortunately didn't really make much any other progress. Oh, we did do the gameplay loop with the button polish as well, with some hidden mechanics and stuff like that, so I guess we did do quite a bit. And tomorrow we will hopefully finish up the carousel, the submission things, and then we do the legal pop-up, and then we fix the leaderboard and make it pretty, and after that we could potentially put a first version on each where players could submit their stuff. And by players, I mean you, whoever is watching. Make me dig for a last time. Alright, that's been it. I wish you a good night, have fun, and see you next time. Bye! Probably 4 p.m. CEST. Sorry.